If you want to connect a Namecheap domain to your Blogger account, this step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. We'll set up the custom domain, add the required DNS records in Namecheap, and finish by saving everything correctly inside Blogger. This is a really useful setup if you want your blog to look more professional, build trust with visitors, and move away from the default Blogspot address. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy website and blogging guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Blogger account. Once you're inside of your dashboard, go to Settings, scroll down until you find the Publishing section. This is where Blogger lets you connect a custom domain instead of using the default Blogspot URL. Under Publishing, click Custom Domain. A box will appear where you can enter your domain name. Now, type your custom domain with www in front of it. So instead of entering just the root domain, make sure you use the www version. For example, if your domain is example.com, you would enter www.example.com. After that, click Save. Blogger will now check the domain and show you a verification window with DNS instructions. Keep this window open because you'll need the values from it in the next steps. Now, open a new tab and log into your Namecheap account. From the Namecheap dashboard, go to Domain List, find the domain you want to connect to Blogger and click Manage next to it. Before adding any DNS records, make sure the name servers are set to Namecheap BasicDNS. This is important because the DNS records need to be managed inside Namecheap for this setup to work properly. Next, open the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you'll add the CNAME records that Blogger requires. Click Add New Record, then select CNAME record from the record type list. In the host field, enter www. In the target field, enter ghs.google.com. Then save the record. This first CNAME record tells the domain where to point the www version of your site. Now you need to add the second CNAME record. Click Add New Record again and choose CNAME record one more time. Go back to the Blogger verification window and copy the second host value shown there. Paste that value into the Namecheap host field. Then copy the second target or destination value from Blogger and paste it into the Namecheap target field. Once both values are entered correctly, save the record. At this point, both DNS records should be added in Namecheap. The first one connects www to Google, and the second one verifies your ownership of the domain for Blogger. DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to update, so if it doesn't work instantly, give it some time and try again. Now return to Blogger and go back to the custom domain window. Click Save again. If everything was entered correctly, Blogger should accept the domain and connect it to your blog. Once the connection is successful, you can also enable redirect domain if you want the default Blogger URL to automatically forward to your custom domain. This is a great option because it keeps all of your traffic going to the same branded web address. And that's it. You've now connected your Namecheap domain to your Blogger account. Your blog is now set up with a custom domain, which makes it look more professional and easier for people to remember. If this guide helped you, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.